So after connecting the screen sharing and these things in the desktop, you will have face training, face recognition, delete finger and enroll finger icons. Okay, so now I already enrolled my one finger. On the 0th slot of the finger, don't enroll any finger. Start from 1 or 1 2 3 4. Okay, 0th place it as dummy. And coming to the face training side, here we will have the faces folder. So in this I have saved my data. Once again I will show you how to save it. Just click on the face training application. So the application starts and the camera is connected here and will be opened. You enter the number. So for that, what I have done is I have taken one file. You can see one file here, roll numbers.txt. Sorry, this won't be there. So in the roll numbers.txt, you have to enter the 4 roll numbers. Now like this. Okay. Now you have to enter all these 4 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can change whatever the numbers you want here. And the user ID has to register accordingly 1 2 3 4. Whoever the roll number is, this one, it has to store the fingerprint ID in the first slot, second slot, third slot and fourth slot. Remember, you can change this numbers as per your requirement. So whatever the numbers you want, I'm inserting the same numbers in the database. Okay, as per that numbers, you have to register it. I'm registering with some 39. Let me assume I will, as only one finger we will be doing, I will register as 27. So for this, so this is the number I have stored. Now I'm pressing the create folder. Now the folder will be created and it will ask you to take 5 snaps. You can take more than 5 snaps also. Take snap 1, snap 2, snap 3, snap 4, snap 5, snap 6, 7, 8, 9 numbers and press stop button, and thereafter close it. And in order to train the other person, click on the face training. The application opens again, and based on the second roll number, you can just enter this roll number, press the create folder, and thereafter take the snaps. So in this way you can take the multiple users number. So in order to stop the application, you have to press stop button and then close the window, and thereafter you will have the 2 applications, delete and enroll. I'm pressing the delete finger. So now in the delete finger, it is already showing that you have 2 fingers have been saved. Okay, so in the 2 fingers have been saved means one is 0th position, another one is the first position. 0th position, leave it like that. I am deleting the first position ID. Press 1, enter. Template deleted, you can see now. So whenever I press the delete finger, now you can see it is showing as first template. Okay, 1 means the ID is 0. So remember, 1 means the ID is 0. Leave it from first, you have to make it. Now I am pressing the enroll finger. So after pressing the enroll finger, the finger sensor will start. You can place the finger ID. So after placing the finger ID, the system will ask to remove the finger. Remove the finger and place the same finger. Immediately it stores your finger and closes the application. To cross check, just you have to double click on again the enroll finger. So if you double click on the enroll finger, now the templates will be shown. Okay, it has not stored your template, it is still showing 1. So now place the finger again. Remove the finger, again place the finger. Now the fingers was not matching properly. Clean it. Clean. Now I am running again by clicking the enroll finger. Still it has not shown. Now the template will be blinking. You place your finger. The system asks to remove the finger. Place the finger again. If it is showing continuous error, I will show you one more path also to check this thing. Go to file manager. Okay, after going to file manager, you can find a fingerprint icon, copy this path, go to terminal. Okay, and after going to the terminal, right click and paste, go to that particular folder by CD space, right click and paste that particular path and press enter and run application start enroll to see if any errors are occurring. Now after entering this thing, waiting for finger, place the finger, remove the finger, again place it. Now it has stored successfully. So in this way you can see if any exception occurs, if the fingerprint is not matching these things. You can check like that. So while it is blinking, you place the finger. When it asks to remove the finger, remove it and again replace it. So in the finger one ID, I have placed my finger. I have trained my faces for the first ID with the roll number, what are the roll number, and whatever the number roll number you are registering, that particular roll number has to be placed at this file because we are reading at the start of the application. Now I am running the face recognition application, and you will have a switch here. So this is the start switch of the application. So if you press start button, the application will start recognizing. First it will take all the data of the faces. So it's not okay, now it's clear. Now it's taking all the data of the faces. Now the application in the off state, so the recognition process is not happening. Whenever I start the application, it recognizes the person, and after the person is recognized, the system will keep on blinking the wait for finger. The user has to place the finger. So if it is not valid finger, it will show buzzer. Remove it, again place it. Place it. Still showing not valid. So once the finger is done, then it will show you as attendance noted. Okay. So if the finger is matched and the face is matched, if the face is again shown in the screen, it will show as attendance noted. So this is for 3.7. Now what I am doing is I am turning off the application. So whenever I turn off the application, then immediately the system will update all the information to the database. Okay. And also it shows the data, it saves in a local file. To quit the application, just press Q and file manager. Here attendance.txt, all the data will be saved of 3.7 present, remaining people are absent. And on the database side, database is not there. I will show you the database thing download, where you can just okay. So I will also provide you an app, and this is the URL. So in the URL, if you click and save the application, then the Excel sheet will be downloaded, where you will have all the information. And in the Android app, this time we will only provide the download button, because we don't know what is the present roll numbers, those things, so it is not possible to get the data. Now this is the last update, around it's 10 and it's 8. So this was the last update we have tried, and all the 1 was present and all 3 was absent. Some 037 will be present. So this is the application work.